Now see here, if points A, B, C, D are vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. So A, B, C, D taken in order, that is important. If after A, B, if you are marking C here, then it will be wrong. You will not able to get the correct answer. Okay. Now, are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order? Find the value of P. Now, P means what? It is x coordinate of D we have to find. Now, how we can find P? There are two alternates. Now, see, this distance should be equal to this distance. Or, very simple method, what are the properties of diagonals of the rhombus? Parallelogram? They bisect to each other. Now, for example, now see, this is AC, one diagonal, and this is DB, one diagonal. So, this is a common point, which is midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of what? DB, isn't it? And suppose if you are going to calculate midpoint of this AC, x coordinate, what is our formula? x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 upon 2. And you know x1, you know x2. So you can get here x coordinate. Also, if you are going to obtain the x coordinate of this BD, then whatever answer you get here, that x coordinate will be same, because those are the coordinate of the same point, because they bisect to each other. This is midpoint of AC as well as this is midpoint of DB. So what we can write? See, x coordinate of midpoint of AC, x coordinate of midpoint of AC should be equal to what? X coordinate of midpoint of whom? DB or BD. It will be same, isn't it? Now, if you want to find the midpoint of this AC, how you will find? What is the formula for midpoint? That midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2. So, now see, x1 plus x2 upon 2. So, that is, I shall write directly now, 6 plus 9, or I shall write like this, x1 plus x2 upon 2 should be equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So, when you calculate midpoint of this is x1 plus x2 upon 2. When you calculate, this will be x1, this will be x2. Okay? Then, so 6 plus 9 upon 2 should be equal to what? Now, midpoint of this, x coordinate of midpoint of DB. How to calculate? x1 means P plus 8 upon 2. And these, they are same because it is same point. So now I can write 6. So upon 2 will get cancelled. 6 plus 9. So 15 is equal to P plus 8. Or 15 minus 8 is equal to 3. 7 is equal to P. So this is how. That means you should know the property of the what? That properties of diagonals of the rhombus. find the area of rhombus if its vertices are taken in order. Now see, rhombus is a quadrilateral where all sides are equal but angle is not 90. So this is the rhombus. So let us name it A, like A30, B 4 pi, C -1 4, and D -2 -1. Right now, like A30, B 4 pi, C -1 4, and D -2 -1. And we want to find what? Area of this rhombus. Last year we had a formula for the area of rhombus. Do you remember that? Area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Half into d1 into d2. What is this d1 and d2? d1 means length of one diagonal, d2 means length of another diagonal. That means in rhombus, if you know the length of diagonal, you can find the area of rhombus. Now, length of diagonal means what? This is distance AC. Length of other diagonal BD means what? Distance BD. And how to find distance? That we know. To find the length means to find the distance between 2 points. Now, let us find length AC or distance AC. What is the formula? Root of x coordinate difference whole square plus y coordinate difference whole square. So I shall directly write now 3, this is already minus, so 3 minus 1 means plus 1 whole square, plus y1 minus y2 means 0 minus 4 whole square. That is root of 4 square plus minus 4 square, root 16 plus 16. That is root of 16 into 2, and root 16 means it is 4 root 2. Now we have to calculate what? Length of other diagonal, which is what? BD. Now length BD is equal to root of, again, difference of x coordinate. So 4 minus 2 means 4 plus 2 whole square plus 5, this is minus 1 means 5 plus 1 whole square. That is 4 plus 2, 6 square plus 6 square. That is root of 36 plus 36. That is root 36 into 2 means 6 root 2. Isn't it? So we have obtained the length of both diagonals. Now we can find area by that formula. What is that formula? Area of rhombus. Half into d1 into d2, and half into d1 means length of first diagonal, which we have calculated 4 root 2, half into 4 root 2 into second diagonal, how much? 6 root 2. So 2 1 ta, 2 2 ta. So this 2 is here into root 2 into root 2. Here root 2 is there, into here root 2 is there, means 2. And into this is 6. So that is 24 square units. So this is how. You got no 2 to the 4. Then this is root 2 into this is root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. And this 6 is here. So total 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24 square units. Okay. Then I shall solve one more problem now. Find coordinate of point A, where AB is diameter of the circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and B1 and B is 1, 4. Now listen here, Find coordinate of point A, where AB is diameter of the circle. Now I shall draw here one circle. Suppose this is center. This is AB diameter. B is 1, 4. And whose center is, now suppose this is center O. What are the coordinate of O given? Coordinate of O are given as 2, minus 3. And we are asked to find coordinate of A. Now we don't know coordinate of A. Let A x1, y1. Now, if AB is diameter, what is O here? O center means midpoint of the AB. So we have to use, now see, you know the midpoint formula, isn't it? What we are writing? x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now this is A x1, y1. This is what? x2, y2. And we know the coordinate of the midpoint. And what is our midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. And y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. And now we want to find x1 and y1. Remaining things we know. X, what is x now? This is our x and y, isn't it? This is x, this is y. X is equal to midpoint formula. So 2 is equal to x1, we don't know, plus x2, that what? 1, whole upon 2. Now you simplify this to get x1. 2 root of 4 is equal to x1 plus 1, or 4 minus 1 is equal to x1. x1 is equal to 3. So similarly, y. What is y value now? Minus 3. Coordinate of midpoint. So minus 3 is equal to, this is y1, we don't know. We want to calculate, plus y2, 4, whole upon 2. 2 into minus 3, minus 6 is equal to y1 plus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y1, minus 10 is equal to y1. And therefore, A, coordinate of A, x1, y1. x1 means what? 3, minus 10. So that means what you should know, this O, this AB diameter means these are the endpoints, and when AB diameter, that O center means midpoint of that particular segment. Diameter is also segment, isn't it? So that's how you have to solve that problem. Okay.